August 21, Ninoy Aquino Day, Grande Island Resort, Subic. Birthday celebration of Andre, family vacation, and the first swimming of our baby girl.
The family.
Rico? Oo. Wait, matamaan si Mikay. Si Mikay. 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 Swimming, Mikay. Hello, Mikay. Swimming. And the two boys ang kulit. And this is me. Look at my stomach. Don't. Kama na. Yaya Bingbing and Yaya Ayday.